What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So everyone wanted a good stylus for the OnePlus Pad. Don't worry, we actually got it. So this is the best stylus I found out for the OnePlus Pad, like a third-party stylus, but this is actually the best. So let's just unbox this and let me tell you what are the things it has. First of all, if we talk about the price, on the back of the packet, it is written quite high. Let me just show you. It's written 999, but normally it comes at a price of 250 to 300 Indian rupees, and for that price it's actually kind of really good. So let me show you what else you get in the box. So first of all, you get this is an extra silicone tip in case your old one is used, and the unboxing experience literally has nothing other than the stylus. But yes, this is full metal unibody design. It looks really nice, and it also has a magnetic cap at the back so that you don't lose it. Now let's just test it on our tablet and see how well it actually works. So this is, as you guys can see, it's working perfectly fine. But it's very affordable, so you will expect a bit of latency or something, but believe me, there is nothing like that. So in case let me just show you how smoothly it works. So let's just select something, right? Look at that. Talha. I mean, my writing is absolutely terrible in this, but still you guys can see it's just super duper smooth. Like literally there is no latency, no lag whatsoever. So you will kind of enjoy using this. And yes, it has all the basic things, like it is just a stylus. It doesn't have pressure sensitivity or something like that. But the best part is it does work, which is kind of really nice, because mostly styluses at this price point have a lot of latency and a lot of other stuff, but this one has no problems whatsoever. The best part is also it has a silicone tip, as you guys can see, so this is not even going to scratch your tablet anytime soon, which is really nice, because silicone tips are very hard to get easily. And yeah, this is very good for the screen as well. So I'm also gonna suggest you an app. This is called the PenUp app. You can actually use this app and draw or like create whatever you want. I guess this is Doctor Strange or something. Let's start coloring. So yeah, we can actually color really well. Like it all depends upon how you want to use it, but it does work perfectly fine. So we have no problems, no latency whatsoever. And let me just try to make a nice drawing and show you what I mean by that. So let's go. Now this is the drawing I used to make in class first or something, I don't know. We have yeah, let's have a sun. I know my drawing is absolutely terrible, but it will give you an idea that how smooth it actually is. And yeah, it's not a professional stylus by any means, but I guess it's still gonna be fine if you just want to use it for a day-to-day purpose. It's actually gonna be really enjoyable. Oh my god, my house doesn't look that well. We have a door here. So yeah, this is a terrible drawing. Never make something like this. And it also snaps exactly at the back. I mean, the original stylus would have snapped at the top, but this one snaps at the bottom. And I don't know how or why, but yeah, it doesn't charge or anything. It doesn't even require a battery. It just snaps at the back, and there you go. It's actually quite strong as well, not gonna drop anytime soon. So it's kind of nice. It's a good stylus to have. Definitely not the best, but it is actually the best for the price. I mean, for 250 you can't get something better than this. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.